I start my film how to do you need to have this set for your film. First use the code. So then you need the camera. You might need a cover shot camera. So you use the camera. So then one more take here. So you just take them. So when you're done your pictures, it'll look something like this. So it's done now. So that's a tutorial on how to click. So you'll actually want to use this Canon PowerShot camera. So it has some quality. So you might want to use any Canon camera to like upload a picture. So thank you for watching my tutorial on how to do a stop motion Lego video or animation brick film, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.